Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want to keep your Shopify account safe and secure? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change your Shopify password in 2025, step by step. Whether you're updating your credentials for peace of mind, responding to a security reminder, or just want something easier to remember, you'll finish this video knowing your account is locked down with a password that's all yours. All right, let's get started. First, open up your Shopify dashboard. At the very top right of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. This is often a little circle with your initials or your shop's logo, depending on what you've set up. Go ahead and click that profile icon. Clicking the profile isn't just about seeing your account details, it's your main gateway to adjusting your account settings. Many folks sometimes overlook this step because it seems simple, but it's where all your personal settings live. After you click your profile button, you'll see a drop-down menu pop up. You'll want to click on your profile name here. Selecting your name is what brings up the page where you have access to your personal settings, preferences, and most importantly for today, your security options. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes you have to pause for just a second as the drop-down loads, especially if you have a slower connection. Once you're in your profile settings, look toward the left side of your screen. There you'll see a menu or pane with several options. Find and click Security. Security is where Shopify groups everything related to account protection, from two-factor authentication to password changes. Changing your password here is important because it ensures you're using the tools Shopify provides to keep your business safe from unwanted access. Now, inside the security section, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the real action happens. Many people get overwhelmed at the word security, but this is really straightforward. Shopify has made this workflow intuitive so you don't get lost in confusing menus. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is an important step because it proves to Shopify that it's really you making the change, not someone else who found your device unlocked. Type in your current password carefully. If you don't remember it, you might need to reset your password using Shopify's Forgot Password link first, but if you know it, just plug it in. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to set your new password. Enter your new password in the spot provided. Strong passwords typically mix letters, numbers, and symbols. If you need an example, think of a phrase you love and add a couple of numbers or special characters. For instance, coffee forever is way stronger than just coffee. Take a moment here to choose something memorable but secure. After that, confirm your new password by typing it in again. This step helps catch those easy-to-make typos. Give it a careful look. Mismatches will prompt Shopify to ask you to try again, so it's worth a few extra seconds. Finally, hit Change Password. You might see a quick confirmation or a message to let you know the update succeeded. That's all there is to it. From now on, your Shopify account uses your new password, and you're extra protected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button for me, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I always check in and try to respond. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this so you can keep running your shop smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.